Hello. Today, I wan welcome una to another episode of Law in Pidgin. My name na Hope Aziri. Today we go talk about wetin law talk about um people wey dey curse other people religion. Wetin law talk? Because this thing na one thing wey dey cause problem for social media. You know say for this Nigeria we dey feel say the only religion wey people dey practice say na Islam and Christianity. No be so. Traditionalists dey. Traditionalists dem dey. People dey wey believe in so many things. Law protect everybody. Freedom of religion dey for Nigeria. Worship anything wey you wan. E say na rubber band you wan worship. E say na cow you wan worship. E say na goat, anything you wan worship, nobody dey stop you. People dey wey be say for their village dem dey worship snail. People dey wey dey worship snake. People dey wey dey worship goat. People dey wey dey worship calving. People dey wey dey worship cowries. Plenty things wey people dey worship. Law protect everybody. Now una know say once dem mention religion for social media, everywhere go scatter. Everywhere go scatter because Nigerians we too like religion. So to protect everybody, as the law don say am say anything religion wan show say we too dey go church, we too dey go mosque, we too dey go shrine, na wetin make law protect everybody. Law come talk say under section 204 of the criminal code act say insult to any religion na crime. If you insult any religion, and dey see someone, that is why una dey see say for social media sometimes dem dey arrest people. Dem dey arrest people wey be say go just come out begin type nonsense, begin insult people religion, begin insult this one, insult that one, na crime. Section 204 of our criminal code talk say na crime, and if court jail you na 2 years imprisonment. So you don know, no insult anybody religion, no condemn anybody religion. Make everybody face wetin e wan worship. Na my own belief o. Anything wey you wan worship, anybody wey you wan worship, e say na the supreme God you wan worship. E say you no wan worship God kwa, e concern you. Na within your right because you get reason why you no wan worship. You understand my own? You get reason why you no wan join my religion. You get reason why you no wan worship my God. So everybody get freedom of religion. Make una no insult, no come online come dey insult people religion. Some dey even insult their own religion join. So even your own religion, let's say me now I be Christian, I come dey insult. Insult dey different from criticism. Like you wan criticize something, dey different. Like I fit do something and say Barrister Hope, this thing wey you do no be so your religion talk am, e dey against your religion. That one e dey criticize you, no be insult. No come dey insult other people religion. E dey against the law, and minus law e no good. E dey very wrong. E dey cause problem too. Thank you. You wey dey watch our video, when you watch, share to other people. No watch am, keep am to yourself. Thank you.